Friday the 13th in Port Dover. If you own a motorcycle in Ontario, then you've heard of this rally. Every year, no matter the month, the temperature, or the weather, riders gather here for this event. It is known to draw a crowd, and this year is no different. This is Scott Fraser, and this is me, Gary Parsons, and we are the Northern Road Kings. Let's do this. Port Dover, Ontario, located in Norfolk County and has a population of over 6,000 people. And we've done other videos here on our channel as well as last year's rally, and we wouldn't miss this one for the world. This year we've linked up with the London Motorcycle Riders Facebook group for part of our ride-in. As great as this rally is, it's even better sharing it with other riders and friends. So before we get to the business end of this video, we'll show you some clips of our scenic group ride-in. Alright YouTube, it's time for the main event. Welcome to Friday the 13th, 2023 in Port Dover, Ontario. Thanks for watching our video. This year's rally did not disappoint. So make sure you hit that like button, share the video with your friends, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment for us in the comment section. And we'll see you all for the next one in September 2024. Cheers.